My children can make this meal any time of the day, breakfast or brunch, and they know exactly how to make it to satisfy their taste bud. On this very day, Wisdom made it to hold himself before I make dinner for the whole family. So for dinner, I will be making jollof rice and jollof beans. Now I'm going to cook my proteins. I'm using chicken and fish. I'll go ahead and season with my preferred spices. Add water, cover and allow to cook. Few minutes later, I check on it and it's ready. I'm going to remove it from the stock and fry. In the same oil, I'll add my chopped onions and curry leaves. Fry for a while. Next, I'll add my tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Next, I will add my cooked tomatoes, white pepper, paprika powder, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add my parboiled rice. Stir very well to combine and add my stock. Stir, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. For the jollof beans, I will add my chopped onions and curry leaves, the remaining cooked tomatoes, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir. I'm going to add my bell peppers. Next, I will add my cooked beans and fish stock. Stir, cover and allow to cook on a medium heat. Now I check on the rice and give it a good stir. Add my butter, cover and allow to cook on a low heat. For the beans, I check on it and add my fried fish to absorb the stew. I'm going to cover and allow it to steam for a while. At this time, the rice is ready and the beans is also ready. Serve and enjoy.